Now we are going to discuss about the price determination under perfect market or perfect competition. In characteristics also we are discussed what about the price determination will be decided by industry, interaction between the quantity demanded and quantity supplied or demand and supply. Based on this information only, we are explaining what about the price determination under perfect competition or perfect market. For explaining of this purpose, we are taken one example. We are assumed one table. Here in this table, we are taken different prices and we are taken different quantities and we are taken different quantity of supply. Here we are applied law of supply as well as law of demand. We are following law of supply as well as law of demand. Law of demand is explains the other things or other factors remain constant. Price is less, quantity demanded is more. Price is increased, then quantity demanded is decreased. So this is the negative relation only we are shown here between the price and quantity demanded. So we are followed what about the law of demand, and leave the second column and see the first and third column. First column we are taken price and third column is supply. These two will be having positive relation when other factors are remain constant. If price is less, quantity supplied is also less. If price is increases, then quantity supply is also increases. Then what about the main reason for seeing of negative relation between price and demand, positive relation between the price and supply? Every consumer, they are try to purchase more quantity when the price of the commodity is less. So that's why price is less, demand is more. Then what about the positive relation between the price and the quantity supply? Every producer or seller main aim is to get maximum profits. So that's why when price is more, then only they will try to sell more quantity. When price is less, then they are try to sell less quantity. That's why there is a positive relation between the price and supply is the positive relation or a direct relation, and price and demand is the inverse or indirect or negative. So there is a negative relation between price and demand. There is a positive relation or direct relation between price and quantity supply. Based on the following of these law of supply and law of demand only, we are assumed this table. In this table, if price is less, demand is more, supply is less. If price is increases, then demand is decreases, supply is increases. But according to our perfect competition, where the demand and supply, these two are equal, there only we are determine the price of the commodity. This price we can call as equilibrium price. So at the price of 3 rupees, quantity demanded and quantity supplied, these two are equal. So this price we can call as equilibrium price. Equilibrium price. This price will be decided by industry. Interaction between the total quantity of demand and total quantity of supply. So this total quantity demanded and quantity supplied, these two will be taken by the industry, and where these two are equal, there only price will be determined by industry. This price we can call as equilibrium price. So this price will be decided by industry. That's why the industry is we can call as price maker. On the basis of this information, we are showing what about the shape of demand curve and what about the shape of supply curve. Because in characteristics, I said demand curve under industry is negatively sloped. So based on this information also we can see how to it is negatively sloped. So here for explaining of this table purpose, we are assumed one more diagram. In this diagram, OX axis we are taken represents quantity demanded and supplied, combinedly we are shown as quantity. OY axis represents price. Based on this information, we are draw the graph also. So price and quantity. First we are taking the demand curve. So if price is 1 rupee, then quantity demanded is 50. So here we will be having, then 2 rupees 40, 3 rupees 30, 4 rupees 20, 5 rupees 10. So if price is increases, then quantity demanded is decreased. So that's why On the basis of this information, we put the different points on this in this diagram, and if we can join all these points, then we will get demand curve that is negatively sloped also. That is simply we are shown. So at the same time, now we are showing the supply curve. That is, if price is 1 rupee, quantity supplied is 10, then 2 rupees 20, 3 rupees 30, 4 rupees 40, 5 rupees 50. So price is increased, then quantity supplied is also increased. That's why we are shown on the basis of this information, we are shown one supply curve. We are shown different points, and join all these points will get supply curve. This is the supply curve, this is the demand curve. Where these two are intersect, that is we can call as equilibrium point. So where these two are intersect at 30 quantity and 3 rupees price. These two are equal at this level only. So this is we can call as equilibrium. At the level of equilibrium quantity of demand and supply is 30 units, price is 3 rupees. This will be decided by industry. So under perfect competition, based on the interaction between the demand and supply only, the price will be determined by industry, not firm. That's why industry we can call as price maker. How much price will be decided by the industry? This will be followed by firm. So that is the main reason we are saying firm is a price taker. So here industry, they are decided price is 3 rupees. So compulsory all the firms, they must and should follow the same price for selling of their good in the society. For example, if we are fixed the price of the commodity is 2 rupees, then what about the situation? If we are fixed the price of the commodity is 4 rupees, then what about the situation? If the price of the commodity, if we are fixed at the level of 2 rupees, then here we are seeing excess demand. Demand is more than supply. So here we are seeing excess demand. So according to our perfect competition, where these two are equal, then only we are fixed the price of the commodity. So that is not, we are not saying as a equilibrium price. And at the same time, if we are fixed the price of the commodity is 4 rupees, then we are seeing excess supply. Supply is will be having more than demand. Then forcefully producers, they are decrease the price of the commodity, or industry, they are decrease the price of the commodity. If they are fixed the price of the commodity is 2 rupees, then here demand is more than supply. Then forcefully they are increase the price of the commodity. Or if the price of the commodity, if they are fixed the 4 rupees, then here supply is more than demand. Then forcefully they are decrease the price of the commodity at the level of 3 rupees. Here will be having equilibrium position, or where these two are intersect, not tangent, intersect of the demand and supply curve. That is only we can call as equilibrium point. That is only we can call as equilibrium quantity. This price only we can call as equilibrium price. This will be decided by industry, not firm. Firm, it will be followed. Firm, it will be followed this. In CA Foundation, they are asking some bits also. If sometimes they are giving what about the changes in quantity supplied, indirectly they are saying if the cost of production is increased or decreased, then what about they are not mentioning anything about the demand. Then what about the equilibrium price? So based on the question, then we have to draw compulsory diagram, whether the supply is increased or decreased, whether the demand is constant or changes. Based on the information and question only, we must and should draw the diagram, then analyze whether the price is constant or equal price will be having, or otherwise price will be changed, either increase or decrease. So like that they will ask bits in CA Foundation also. So that's why compulsory must and should, first we have to follow what about the price determination under perfect competition, and what about the shape of supply and demand curve under perfect competition. Easily we can analyze the bits, then we can do the bits also easily. For example, without changing in the price of in the demand, supply of the commodity will be increased. For example, actual demand curve is this, is actual supply curve is this is the price, this is the equilibrium quantity. For example, government, they are given subsidy to the firms, then subsidy they are getting is nothing but cost of production is decreased, then they are increase the production, automatically supply will be increased. Question is, government, they are providing subsidies to the firms, then what about the supply and what about the equilibrium quantity and equilibrium price? Like that they are asking question. Then here government, they are giving subsidy, so it is subsidy is applicable to the producers. Here they are clearly mentioned. So subsidy is applicable to the producer, then automatically it is encouragement, then they are increase the supply of a commodity. Increase the supply of a commodity is nothing but supply curve will be shifted to the from original curve to right side, not left side. It will be increased. Then quantity supply is increased from OQ to OQ1 level. Then what about the equilibrium quantity? Price. Original demand curve and supply curve is this is, and supply is increased, so supply curve is shifted, but they are not given any information about the demand. Then here they are given only information about the supply only. So supply is increased means new equilibrium position is even, then price of the commodity is decreased. Main reason is compared to demand, supply of the commodity is more, automatically price of the commodity will be decreases. Like that they are giving some information about the either demand or supply. Based on the question, we are analyzing whether it is applicable to the demand or supply. Then we can find out what about the equilibrium position, price and quantity. So it is very important for the bits for CA foundation also. If you are like this video, please subscribe and like this video and share to your friends.